Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data. Back up to Google Drive or copy to a computer, then remove the SD card and unpair accessories so nothing gets lost. Once done, make sure the phone has at least 50% battery or is plugged in to avoid shutdown during reset. If you plan to reinstall a custom ROM, check OEM unlock in developer options now. Next, sign out of any accounts you can. Doing that first prevents activation lock problems after the reset. You now execute the factory wipe through settings. Go to System, then Reset Options, and choose Erase All Data Factory Reset. When prompted, enter your PIN or password and tap Erase Everything. This deletes apps, accounts, and local files. Make sure you stay on the device and don't interrupt the process. If the phone won't boot or the screen is frozen, force it into recovery mode and choose Wipe Data/Factory Reset there. That achieves the same secure erase at a lower level. After the wipe, the phone reboots to the setup wizard. Follow prompts to connect Wi-Fi and sign into your Google account so backups can restore. You'll want to confirm device settings and reinstall apps as needed. If the phone asks for the previous Google account, that's activation lock. Use the original credentials to unlock or retrieve account recovery details. If problems persist, consider flashing the official firmware, using the manufacturer's tool or contact support for a guided recovery to avoid bricking the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.